Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to import saved passwords into Google Chrome on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you are switching from another browser or you have a CSV file containing your saved passwords, Chrome lets you import them in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings. In the left pane, click Autofill and Passwords, and then choose here Google Password Manager. Next, click the setting in the left sidebar. Now click Settings. Now you will find Import Passwords option. Click on the Select File button. Now select the CS file containing your passwords. Click on the Open button. Click the Close button. Chrome will import all the usernames and passwords from the CSV file into your Google Password Manager. Once the import is complete, you can verify the imported entries by returning to the Google Passwords Manager window. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.